me, where have you been, my blue-eyed son? Where have you been, my darling young one? Well, I've stumbled up on the side of 12 misty mountains. I've walked and I've crawled over 6 crooked highways. I've stepped out in the middle of 7 sad forests. I've been out in the front of a dozen dead oceans. And it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard rain, yeah, it's gonna fall. Tell me, what did you see, my blue-eyed son? What did you see, my darling young one? I saw a black dress dripping with blood all around it. I saw a room full of men with their hand buried bleeding. I saw a white ladder all covered with water. I saw 10,000 talkers whose tongues were all broken. And it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard rain gonna fall. Tell me, what did you hear, my blue-eyed son? What did you hear, my darling young one? I heard 100 drummers, their hands were ablazing. 10,000 whispering and nobody listening. I heard one person star, I heard many people laughing. I heard a song of a poet who died in the gutter. And it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard rain. It's gonna fall. What will you do now, my blue-eyed son? What will you do now, my darling young one? Will I walk to the depths of the deep, darkest forest, where the people are many and their hands are all empty, where the pellets of poison are flooding the water? But I know my song well and I'm sure won't forget it. But it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard rain gonna fall. It's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard, it's a hard rain gonna fall.